So when you're growing your coaching business, success really is in the numbers. And you've got to be in that mindset where you're prepared to play the game, right? You see, what will happen is out of every 100 people that you speak with, there's going to be 3 people that's actually ready there and then. They're ready to invest, they're ready to commit, and they're ready to start working with you there and then. So out of every 100 people you speak to, there's going to be 3 people that's ready to invest. However, what you've also got to go through is the other people that's not quite there yet, right? And then the numbers look like something similar like this. So there's going to be 7 people that's open to having a conversation with you as long as you're offering or positioning that right offer in front of them, right? There's going to be 30 people that blatantly is a no. They are not interested whatsoever, and whatever you do, whatever you say, regardless of what you put in front of them, it's just a flat out no. They're not bothered. There's going to be 30 people that's like, well, I'm kind of interested, but from the information that you've given me, and I don't really know yet, I feel as though I just need a little bit more information from you, right? And then there's going to be 30 people that it's like, well, I'm just not there yet. I want to do other things first. I want to get this sorted. Potentially I might do, but just right this minute in time, just not yet. And it's not as though they needed more information. Their mindset's just not there. So these are the numbers you need to go through to get to the numbers, to get to the people that's ready to invest. People are wanting this, but predominantly people are not willing to go through the numbers. So how do we go through the numbers, right? Well, there's 2 ways you can go through the numbers. You can go through the numbers organically, versus paid media. Now the problem is that logically, right? People think, okay, well, paid media, I can invest a little bit of money, I can expand my message, I can get my message out there into a wider audience. There's going to be more people that my message reaches. I'm going to attract more people. I'm creating leverage, so I'm not having to do it manually, and I'm going to get to these numbers quickly. And that's true. But the problem is most people are not signing people up organically. The problem is that most people are not signing people up on a regular basis. So they don't have the right data, the correct data, they don't have the right processes or systems to actually make paid media work. Once you've got all those things in place, then yes, absolutely, that's the time to scale, right? And to leverage. But if you don't have the right data, if you don't have the right emotional intelligence about your marketplace, about the people that you want to attract, then paid media you're just amplifying what's not already working. So organically is the other method, right? But predominantly the way that people run organic marketing strategies, it's a very, very passive way of running their business. They're posting in groups, posting in articles, they're commenting on other people's posts, they're trying to get recognized as an expert, but they're doing all this stuff, they're making themselves really, really busy, but what's happening is nothing. People are not reaching out to them on messaging, people are not commenting, so they're struggling to build their business, they're struggling to get the numbers, and this is why we inside Clients and Profits, we make sure that our organic strategy is not passive, it's very proactive, meaning that we go through the numbers very, very quickly. Organically, we don't rely on people coming to us, we go to them. And organically, we can hit these numbers very, very quickly to get to the people, to go through all these people, right? To get to them really quickly, to get data, to bring people in, to generate profits, to get clients, to generate data, then we can build that data back into our paid media. But this video is all about playing the numbers. So the question to you is, how fast are you going to go through these numbers? Because it really is as simple as that. How fast are you prepared to go through these numbers to get to the people who says yes?